Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you this website. The website name is CoinFi, and this website link available in the description. You can see this much user this website have, and this much coin earn, and this much payment sent to the lot of people. This website pay you Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Solana, Shiba Inu coin. The link in description, click the link, click register, put your email, password, confirm password, just solve the captcha and just click sign up. I have already an account, just I click sign here, solve the captcha to show you how you can start earning from this website. Okay, the first way earning first is Faucet claim. The Faucet claim is the first way earning. Just click Faucet. In here you have 120 time claim, but it's no limit. Every 1 hour this will be updated automatically, and this much coin this will be pay you this is a coin 300,000 coin pay you. First of all, solve the captcha. Okay, it's too easy to solve. Then find the key, told you select the key, click the key and just click your reward to pay you your amount. And after 1 minute you come back and claim again. And the next way earning is PTC ads. You have PTC ads watching 9 advertisement pay you 3 million coin. You just click one of the advertisement. The timer is 5 seconds. Just click go now. Set the timer is a 5 seconds. Just watch this advertisement for 5 seconds and just click the cap and just click verify, and that's it. You watch it and you can watch all of the advertisement to earn all the coin. I watch all the advertisement and come back. Okay, right now I watch all of the advertisement, and in here have a window advertisement. Is 2 available window advertisement you can watch without closing the window. And the next way is a short links. You complete the short links and you can earn this much coin available to complete the short links. And the next way earning is achievements. You can come here in achievements. You can see all of the achievements if you complete it, and you can earn some coins or some energy. With that energy you can use the auto faucet. And the next way is offer wall, so you complete. And the next way earning is a quiz, and you can just answer some questions you can earn. Okay, it says tell you what is the question, just click it and you can earn. If you choose wrong answer, this will be wrong. You can see I minus. Okay, that's oh sorry, it's wrong answer. I click invalid capture. It's I don't know. If you choose wrong capture, it's show you an error. If you claim right capture, pay you double amount. Okay, that's it. You can do it. And the next way is the withdrawal. Right now I told you about the withdrawal. Okay, I go to dashboard. This much coin I have. I want to withdraw my coin. I go to withdrawal request. In here you can see you can withdraw in FaucetPay and Coinbase. If you want to withdraw like Shiba, you can withdraw in Coinbase. If you want to get in FaucetPay, you have amount. Right now is the TRX, little bit amount this will be left. I just click TRX, click withdraw. This website pay me in TRX and send it to my FaucetPay. And now you can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly to my FaucetPay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in the description, and bye bye for now.